There you have it, guys. Jamaican crust in your kitchen.
Here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
Okay, guys, now move on to the next step. In my container, I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of margarine, 3 tablespoons of vegetable shortening, and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Now, also I have a teaspoon. Now you want to make sure you have clean hands, and you want to combine all this together. You're going to break that butter up real good in that thing. Now you want to go ahead and add your icy cold water. You want to let this dough sit for about 30 minutes. Before you do anything to this, make sure it sits for 30 minutes. I'm just going to get my plastic wrap. I'm going to cover over that. I'm going to put it aside, and then we'll move on to our next step. So, okay guys, now that my dough is perfectly ready, 30 minutes it's been sitting, go ahead and flour that thing up real good. So that's exactly how you want it. You see how that dough is? That's exactly how you want it. The perfect dough. Go ahead and cut into that. So, okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a perfect crust, a Jamaican crust in your kitchen. So you just roll that out. You want to make this as thin as you could get it. Put your flour on there. Just want to cut it into 3 pieces. And we are going to work with this one right here. Now guys, it's up to you to know how big you want your crust, but whatever you do, you make sure you have strips like this, and you just want to roll it out and make it thin, as thin as that. When you get it looking like that, you just want to go ahead and fold it. Now that is how you make crust, just like that. I'm going to make the others up, and I'm going to pop these in the oven. Okay guys, all I did was spray the bottom of my baking container, and I'm going to put my crust in. A little bit of egg white on top. 20 minutes. I'm going to bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes, and this should be all done. See you back. And that is how you make it. Now guys, you could also add sugar to your dough. I didn't add any sugar to this one, but you could add sugar if you want to have a little sweet to it. I prefer to put no sugar in mine today. But this is fast, easy, and simple. And it's a traditional thing. If you like this recipe, like, thumbs up, share, share, share. Let me know what you like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, a time to eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
This is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.